Hi everybody, excuse how my hair is looking, but today I'm going to tell you how to feed garden birds. Feeding garden birds is especially important during this time because it's winter here in South Africa. When feeding garden birds, you've got to consider where to place your feeders and where not to place them. So for instance, you do not want to place your bird feeders at where there are cats and other nasties lurking. So you want to place them like in a tree, but not too close to a bush, just in case a cat might jump out and get them. Thorn trees are a really good option because it'll give the birds protection from any predators that might be circling around, or like high up in trees generally is a good option near cover. Or now with regards to food, you can feed your birds almost any food, from leftovers to birdseed to apples to bone meal to suet, depending on the type of birds you want to get to come to your garden. But there are some foods that birds cannot eat. For example, avocados. Never feed your birds avocados, xylitol, which is artificial sugar or any artificial flavorants or coloring. And oh yeah, bread you can, but wait for it to dry out. Don't break up soft pieces because it's not good for them, you see. The various foods can attract various species of birds. So if you go, for example, seed, you'll bring in canaries, waxbills, doves, and pigeons. But if you only go for that food, you'll only bring in the seed eaters. You only bring in seed eaters. Fruit will attract barbets, grey go-away birds, robins, thrushes, mouse birds, white eyes, and baubles. For insect eaters, it's a little more challenging, but not impossible. Large bones with meat on them can bring your insect-eating birds in, as well as bone meal and suet and mealworms. Insect-eating birds that would come for bone meal would be green woody foos, Birchall's cuckoo, dark-capped bauble as well will come for it, robins and thrushes. You can also plant plants to attract nectar-feeding birds to your garden, like the white-bellied and amethyst sunbird. And it's very important to suss out your feeding station where you're going to put them. Because close to window could be a good option, but it must have good cover. And adult birds might not want to come when you're around, but they'll soon get used to you. Another thing is you want to clean your bird feeders regularly, because with so many birds coming, especially during the winter when you offer food, disease can spread quickly. With winter here in South Africa, it's very important to feed the birds, but not only in winter, all year round, so you can get them coming a lot to your garden. And as your bird restaurant grows, you'll find more and more species coming in. Some birds, like francolins, will eat on the ground, so it's important to provide food for them on the ground. Same foods as I suggested before, but just on the ground. Some birds, like the paradise flycatcher and cardinal woodpecker, feed high up in trees, so you'll need a feeding log to put bone meal or suet in to attract them. And again, some birds are only seasonal visitors to your garden, which they'll only come when in the right season, when their fruits are in fruit, when their trees are in fruit, like the African olive pigeon and grey hornbill. Once you start feeding your birds, you find you can't stop. Just remember to keep your bird feeders clean so disease doesn't spread. And the birds will get so used to you that they eventually will knock on the window or shout at you if you're late. Another important aspect is water in the garden. You can have a simple bird bath or water feature, but birds prefer running water. So a bird bath that bubbles at the surface will do, or even better, a water feature. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe.